Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe I found on TikTok, and it's a Keto Cabbage Alfredo. It's so good. So first I cooked my sausage, and then I removed that into a bowl that I had lined with paper towel to soak up some of that grease. Then I put 2 tablespoons of butter in the pan, and then I had sliced up 1 head of cabbage. I'm going to add that to the pot. And next time I make this, I'm going to chop the cabbage smaller pieces. It was really hard to mix this around. And I found that the recipe on TikTok, the video, and what she had in the description box was 2 different things. Didn't quite match. So this is my interpretation of it, and it was wonderful. So I added about a tablespoon of garlic, and then I added some salt and pepper. And then I just cooked that, stirring it around every few minutes. I kept the lid on it to kind of help steam that cabbage and to soften the noodles. Well, noodles, cabbage. She claims it tastes like noodles, so I was like, I gotta try this. So I stirred it and then put the lid back on and probably checked on it every couple minutes just to see, make sure it wasn't burning. And once I thought the noodles were softened enough, I added in the rest of the ingredients. So I'm adding the sausage back in. And I added approximately a cup of heavy whipping cream. A half cup of Parmesan cheese. And about 3 ounces of cream cheese. And then I tried to mix it. It's a little hard with the cream cheese, so I mixed it just a little bit. And then I ended up putting the lid back on for about 10 minutes, just so the cream cheese could fully melt. I was making quite a mess, splashing it everywhere, but I think a lot of that would have been avoided if the cabbage was cut in a little bit smaller pieces. So this is what it looked like when I took it out. I could tell that it was done. It was super hot. It was boiling, bubbling. So I turned it off and put some in a bowl, and it was delicious. It was so good. I was literally licking the bowl when I got done with it. It's just so good. So if you guys want to try it, I do have the description box below. I'll put all the ingredients and the method I used, and let me know if you give it a try. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.